We have a simple crock pot soup for you today. A little tortellini going on with a nice Alfredo mix. Guys, this is nothing short of spectacular, and it comes together so quick. 30 minutes in here, you're good to go. Got a little chicken stock going in. That was a little Rayo's Alfredo sauce before I added the chicken stock. And we're going with 4 cups. That's what this carton is right here. And here's the Rayo's. This is my favorite any kind of Italian pasta sauce, whether it's Alfredo, marinara, arrabbiata, any of that stuff. Now we're gonna add in a little fully cooked bacon bits. Now I'm cheating right here. This is a quick, easy weeknight meal. So I'm using some pre-made stuff, of course. Chicken sausage. This is a chicken and mozzarella tortellini. So we're going with a little chicken Italian sausage. And you know, it's a little bit healthier. So that's going in. It's a pound worth. Already ground up and fried up. Got a little Italian seasoning going in. About a half tablespoon to tablespoon. Guys, I like a little extra oregano in there, even above and beyond that Italian seasoning. So we're throwing that in, another half a tablespoon or so. Got a little garlic powder, right? Not garlic salt, garlic powder. I mean, I guess you could use garlic salt and just omit putting salt in there, but we're going in with a couple healthy pinches of some sea salt in there. Yeah, we'll go for 3. Guys, don't be afraid to season your food. Got a little 4 cheese Italian blend here. Asiago, Fontina, Parmesan, and Provolone. We're gonna put about half in there, and we'll save some to put on top when we're ready to have it on the soup or put in a bowl, right? We're gonna give this a little mix. Got all those good flavors getting ready to go. Now this is, I wouldn't call it fresh pasta, but it's definitely not frozen. It's from the little deli section at your grocery store. So it doesn't take much time to get cooking. So let's get cooking. All right, let's get that lid on. Now guys, I'm using my Ninja Possible pot here. We're gonna set it on high, the slow cooker. So any crock pot will do, but I use my Ninja Possible pot for when I do slow cooker recipes now. On high. We're just gonna take this to 30 minutes. All right, it's on the start. There we go. Y'all, this is one of those things that takes no time at all. This isn't like a all day cook in your slow cooker. 30 minutes will treat you right. Guys, too dang easy. I'll see you in a second. All right, y'all, the 30 minutes is up. It's on the warming countdown down below. That is a beautiful looking tortellini soup right there. Got that wonderful chicken sausage in there. Guys, this is everything you'd hope for and more, baby. Got a nice bowl right here. Serve it on up. Make sure you get plenty of that beautiful broth in there. Although I ain't mad at a lot of tortellinis in mine. Oh, it's looking good, guys. All right, time to definitely get a bite. Although it's gonna be hot like crazy. Whew. We got a lot of cheese in that soup already, so just a little bit on the top will do you right. All right, y'all, for whatever reason, I filmed this in slow-mo. Guys, we took a big old bite of this thing. I did blow on it. It was hot. I did burn my mouth. But, baby, you know it was good.